Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can find the Windows product license key. So if you are really that eager to know on what is your Windows product license key, then let's go quick into the process on how we can do that. So in the Windows search bar, type here REGEDIT regedit, and that will put registry editor under the best match, then click on that. Now here, just simply follow me for the path that we are going to navigate. So we have to navigate this path, so just follow me. We have HK local machine, double click. Under HK local machine, you need to look for a folder named software. So double click on the software folder. And under the software folder, we need to look for the Microsoft folder. So scroll down to letter M. You'll find Microsoft, this one, double click. Under Microsoft folder, look for the Windows NT. So scroll down to W. Then from here, you'll find the Windows NT folder, this one, double click. Then you'll find the current version, double click. And under the current version, we are going to look for the folder named Software Protection Platform. So scroll down to letter S. So we are going to scroll down right here. This one, the Software Protection Platform. So this is the path at the top: computer, HK local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, software protection platform. Now on the right pane, you'll find this value name, backup product key default. So you'll find this value name, backup product key default. So this is where you can find your Windows license product key. So this is your Windows license product key. So in my case, this is my Windows license product key. So in your case, you just need to follow the same procedure and methods that we have done. So you just have to follow and navigate this path in the registry editor, and then in the right pane, look for the backup product key default, value name, and then here you'll find your Windows license product key. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.